Come on, I need a miracle. Hi guys, I just got some new toys of moose from my supplier. They look cool. I was planning to open the Arturia, the Corruptagon at final. However, my supplier told me its comment has broke. I crashed. So let's take the video of it first. Here we go. Okay then, let's get started. Let's take a look at one of these new Goo Shifters. I'm so excited to get it in my hand, especially it is a Arturia. Moose has not yet officially announced yet, and any details are not mentioned before. When you look at the back, you can now see the different ones that are cool as well. Oh, here is a new face. His name is Bangom. I suppose it's pronounced like that. Let's move on. Here we find a warning reminder. Official recommend max stature is 20 inches, almost half a meter. And let's see, here is also the battery reminder. It occurred to me something about this package. Number one, there is no window hole in front of the package. Let's take a look at the old series. Now we can see there is a tiny window. We can feel, touch, even press through the window. Here we come back, we can find there is no window. That is number one. And number two, the PET casing is so tough. It hardly affects when I press a little bit. In its front or in the back, still tough enough. I'm thinking it must protect the power cord. How to say? It may protect during tracing, but satisfy our shopping experience. Anyway, forget it. Let's start to unbox the Corruptagon. Tear from this, cross there a signal. We got it. It has an angry face. Good detail in the back as well. I stretch. I can feel there is a core in its body. It's tough, and I suppose it will be light up. Other different content, I think, is water ball. When I stretch, you can see the tiny water balls clear. You see, it's quite fun to play. Like that. Whoa. He has a purple skin, but the water ball is blue. It relaxes me. It comes to the most exciting segment. I'm gonna to test the light up function. What we know from package is lead us to smash, then the power cord will light up. Oh my mother, it doesn't work. Is its power cord broken when it touched the water inside its body? That situation is like what my supplier told me. Of course, it's not the official version. So, should I give up? Come on, I need a miracle. It still doesn't work. Its power cord must broke. Damn it.